Guíomh agus fáilte romh go dtí an chéad Chardlin Déasa ar an channels. Hello and welcome to the first channels dancing workshop. Tásúla go bhfuil gach duine go maith. I hope everyone is doing well. So just these time I just want to sponge these. Tá brogi Déasa ar an mavrogi. So these are my dance shoes. Tá mis I géirí go déine sibh cínte. You make sure that you have nice brogi compordach earth, that you have nice comfortable shoes for when you're a Déasa. Okay, so that's the most important thing, and rud is tábhachtaí. Okay, so on chéad rud atá mé chun a bhíniú ná, I'm just going to explain that anew. Tá muid chun gá céim nua a dhéanamh. We're going to learn 2 new channels dancing steps. Tá tásúla gom gúil sibh ar fad ré le bheith a Déasa. So dús, just before we do that, tá muid chun cúpla sínte a dhéanamh a few stretches. So on céad rud tá muid chun a dhéanamh ná, tá muid chun dul suas ar na baracíní up on your toes, agus just comádan sinné ar fá 2 second. So hain, dó, 3, 4, 2, agus síos, hain, dó, 3, 4, 2, aríist, hain, dó, 3, 4, 2, agus síos, hain, dó, 3, 4, 2. Nis tá mé chun 10 cín on 10 of those, suas agus síos. So suas, síos, suas, síos, 3, síos, 4, síos, 2, síos, 6, síos, 7, síos, 8, síos, 9, síos ceann 10, síos, an bhar fad. Nis freisin tá mé just a give you chuir over cos amach, so the saw, put your heel síos ar an talamh, cumad an cos seo, díreach, keep it straight, agus an cos eile písín beag loop a little bit bent. So tá mé give you chuir over where lámh síos le war baracíní, dent your toes, go hain, dó, 3, 4, 2, agus an cos eile, so ríis cumad díreach é, seo loop a little bit bent, hain, dó, 3, 4, 2, cos eile ríist, hain, dó, 3, 4, 2, agus cos clé or a bhain eile, hain, dó, 3, 4, 2. Ionfach ar fad. Rud déarnach ar fad ar last little stretch. Tá muid chun na routine dhéanamh. Show a routine your ankles. So tá sé bheith ruchlí na routine tempo, 2 or dul ar an tíomh on the outside. So cos deas ar dís, hain, dó, 3, 4, 2, agus a stock, hain, dó, 3, 4, 2. Ionfach cos clé, hain, dó, 3, 4, 2, agus a ras, stoch, hain, dó, 3, 4, agus 2. Ionfach má sibh ar fad. So tá muid chun tús a chur leis na céimhne seo. Tá muid chun clocht a dhéanamh leis agus gan an ceol, so with and without the music. So dús, tá muid chun an céim is tábhachtaí, one of the most important steps a dhéanamh. And céim seo, this step is in a lot of the other céimne that we will be learning. So tá sé anna tábhachtach. So tá muid a tosú amach seo ag the sáil, your heel, agus the baracíní, your toes. Okay, sáil, baracíní, so ríist, sáil agus baracíní. So gach duine cos deas amach, sáil amach, anna what? Cos clé amach leis, ionfach aríist, sáil, arás, sáil, arás, sáil, arás, sáil, arás, sáil, arás, sáil, arás. Má sibh ar fad, anna what? So tá muid chun do sáil a chur amach ar the cos deas your right foot, agus tá muid chun seasamh arás, cos clé, seasamh arás, agus an sin tá muid chun an tóirleoir a bhuaila, you're gonna stop the ground. So aríist, tá mé just a géirí clocht a dhéanamh, we're going to do a little bit of practice on the sáils. So if you can Jenny chin sáil, take molecule, try that like this. Sáil arás, sáil, 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 sinné. A little bit faster, písín beag níos tapúla. Sáil, 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 sáil. Ionfach. Or one eile just from on teeth here and cool from the back of me. So sáil, arás, sáil, arás, sáil, arás, 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 arás. Písín beag níos tapúla, a little bit faster. Sinné. Okay? So ná, Jane, make sure that you don't chass on them, that you don't stand on the heels. You just a curl mock each, putting them out all the way to staying on the other foot. It's a rash. So ná chasse, don't stand on them. You're just a curl mock, agus a rash. Mock, a rash. Sinné. On a way. So this came, tá Tommy can I sponge these early, so I'm going to show it to you first with the ceol, with the music. And what I'm going to do then is Tommy can I vini leave. I'm going to explain it to you, the step that we're doing. So, on Caoimhe Tommy a Dainov, no, Jenny may let you go with the music. So Shin Ain Cain, that is the step that we will be doing. So, Thomas going to try the winchas. We're going to try it together. So nice and steady. Tommy gave the sol or the cusjas a kermach. You heel on your right foot, a kermach, a rash lesh, inta. Sol ella amach, a rash, and then Tashav kun on torlor a really. You're going to stamp the ground. So sol a hain, sol a do, a rash, inta reached. Sol a rash, or one ella last time. Sol, sol, ain't that? Now we're going to try it on the other foot, the cuss clay. So sol a rash, boo, ain't that a rish? So sol, gachdina, shinay, sol, august, boo, a rished, sol, boo, ain't that a rash? Gadeen cuss jas back to the right foot. Sol, boo, ain't that cuss clay left foot. Sol, shin a, sol, august, boo, ainta harish, sol, boo, ainta. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep swapping feet. So we're just going to try it go over these twice. Sol on the cusjas, so gachtin occur the cusjas amok your sol, ainta, arash, sol, arash, august, boo, ainta. Cosala, cusclay, sol, august, boo, ainta. So we're going to try that all again. Little pitching big knees top a little bit faster. Sol, boo, august, sol, boo, ainta. Or one ella. Sol, boo, august, sol, boo, ainta. So we're in a magician. If we go, we did it twice there. We're going to try it 4 times now. Kara or. So got dinner umadre. Current sol amach reached. Sol, boo. Shiniver hain, sol, boo. Don't forget to swap your feet. Right foot, sol, boo. Cosala reached, sol, boo. Aintoch on a water fad. That's 4 times on a water fad. So when we're doing this step, we always do it 8 or 8 times. Hain, though, 3, car, kug, shay, shop, 8. So we're going to try that together. Good jaw small. Nice and slow. It has to earn cusjas. We all know what our right foot is. Our cusjas. Sol amok. Nodding down. We're called the sol. Sol. Boo. August. Sol. Boo. Shin iver do. Sol. Boo. Iver 3. Sol. Boo. Iver car. Sol. Tuig. Sol. Shay. Sol. Shop. August. Sol, oh, on a water fad. So we're going to try that again. And this time we're going to do it a casa timple a gyurkle, turning round in a gyurkle byuk. So we're going to do it a bugger yesh, moving to the right. And Arís, we're going to try it a little bit faster. Please move me stop it like sol, boo. Sol, boo. Sol, boo. So Thomas can in 8 or 8 times. 2 things to remember here is on a tavach. Don't forget that we're agoni a malati cos, always swapping feet. So shinny iver hain. Agus iver though, we always have ga sols, 2 heels, agus agoni and shin, bool and thorner. You're going to stamp the ground. So we're going to try that 1 more time, gun and ceol, or one ella gun and ceol. A casa timple a gyurkle. So book it yesh d. So we're hain, do, 3. Sol, boo, august, sol, boo, sol, boo, august, sol, boo, sol, boo, boo, august, sol, aintoch fad, boo. sin iver a hocht an war fad. So tá con éisi a bhain trí las leis an geol. So the seal gum that we're all ready now to try it with the Ceol. Will she right? Tá she right, tá is gum goil she right. So tá con an rhythm a bhúla dús leis an geol. We're going to try beat the rhythm out here dús leis an geol. Nice and slow and steady. So éis leis an geol dús. Listen to the music here dús. So we're going to try it with the Ceol inish, with the music. So we're going to try the whole Caoimhe Ná Mhaolagáin, sol, sol, cool. We're going to try it first on the spot. So ní van circle, we're not doing the circle, just on the spot. And then on Dara, or the second time we'll do it a dull, a chimple, a circle. So Thomas con on Ceol, on rhythm a bhúla, don't forget to tap your foot. Riv a tosin shiv leis on Caoimhe. So go jazz ray, will shiv ray? Tá shiv ray. So, Thomas come on Dara Caoimhe Ní Mhaolagáin, we're going to move on to our second Caoimhe, on Dara Caoimhe. So, like I said, sol, sol, bill always comes back to being a couple of Caoimhe elements in different other steps. So, bay and sol, sol, bill, Caoimhe shot will be in this one. This Caoimhe that we're going to do is a sol, barrackeen, sol Caoimhe. So, reached, Tommy Conay Ainov, in my Aina, I'm going to try it on my own first, just to show you what it looks like. I'm going to show you how much can twos occur lesh a the second step that we'll be like failum and you that we'll be learning. So a Goran Caoimhe shot for this step. If you saw we made Jane of on sol, barrackeen, sol and chin, and then I went back to the basic, the Caoimhe iver hain that we did, sol, sol, build, right, so that's anna tavatach erfad. So for this bit, everyone show me the spawn on Ceol, the sol, the barrackeen, the sol, the barrackeen, the barrackeen, the barking, the sol, barking, Inta, tá sé agah, you have it. Inta. So go on count seo, tá sé shas over the cuss clay, you're putting all your weight on your left foot, and for the cuss and the cuss jazz, you're just going to be swapping your feet, mar sé. So tá tú shas over and cuss clay, on cuss jazz, sol, barking, sol. So bon trí leis sin gach duna, sol, barking, sol, an bhá hain, do, trí, sol, barking, sol, Arís, hain, do, trí, sol, barking, sol, or one eile hain, do, trí, sol, barking, sol. Má sibh fad. Agus tá muid chun tríú bhaint an cos eile, tá sé seasamh an cos clay, on cos jazz an or you're standing on the right foot. Go right sin, so got the shots of sin. With some cos clay, the left foot, you're just going to be moving it slightly mar sin. So Arís, shots of cos, das, sol, barking, sol, inta chor one eile hain, do, trí, sol, barking, sol, Arís, hain, do, trí, sol, barking, sol, Arís, hain, do, trí, sol, barking, sol, Arís, hain, do, trí, sol, barking, sol. Inta anna war fad. So sin é sol, barking, sol. So Arís, we're going to go back and we're going to shas here in cos clay and the sol, barking, sol on the cos jazz. So we know what the sol, barking, sol is in it. Agus tá muid chun an céim banúsach, the basic step, the céim of our hain that we learned, tá muid chun a sinnéin of díreachtarí straight after. So Arís, gach den shas over in cos clay, cos jazz, sol, barking, sol. Now we're going back to the basic step on céim banúsach, sol in cos céine. So you're staying on the same foot, sol, sol, good. And what? Bon trí leis sin Arís. So Arís, sol, barking, sol, Arís, sol, sol, good. Cos eile, shas over in cos jazz an or seo, sol, barking, sol, céim banúsach basic step, sol in cos céine, sol, good. Ionach Arís, swap again, mother two, sol, barking, sol, Arís, sol, sol, good. Cos eile, sol, barking, sol, fauna and cos céine stay in the same foot, sol, sol, we'll try two more, sol, barking, sol, 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 good, August, sol, barking, sol, 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 good, Inta. So when we're doing this céim, all we need is carraceen, we just need 4, cos jazz, cos clay, cos jazz, and cos clay, carraceen at castal one. So we're going to do it with jazz small, I'm going to do it from cool, from the back of me. Just to give you a look at that. Agus sin, tá muid chun é of gone and ceol without the music, and then we're going to try leis an ceol. So, gach den ag shas over in cos jazz, cos clay, sol amach. Don't forget, nod in down with cobble the sol, your heel. Sol, barking, sol, fall in cos shin. Sol, sol, good. One or two. Sol, barking, sol, sol, sol. Boom, Arís, sol, barking, sol, sol, sol. August, sol, barking, sol, sol, sol. Inta. So, or one ella, we're going to try from the front, or one ella, and then we're going to try it. This time we're going to try a little bit Pishin Bioga Arís níos tapula Arís, a little bit faster again. So, when we try, ta, my try. Inta. Okay. Hain, do, tri. Sol, barking, sol, 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 two. Sol, barking, sol, sol, sol. Sol, barking, sol, 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 two, August, sol, barking, sol, 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 two. Ionach. So we're going to try that with the ceol, with the music. Again, just carra or just 4 times that we want it done. So nodging down with the Arís, near thomage ayenov, we're going to get the rhythm and we're going to tap out the rhythm, riv a tosin on ceol. So, jazz, right? the Dara, Gaji and Dara, oh, on Cardlin channels. We've nearly come to the end now. So, another Thomas Chunny not Thomas Chun clock that we're going to practice over the 2 new steps and Ga Caoimhe Nua a Daila Mud in you. Okay, so Thomas Chunny Orwanella, I'm going to walk through it, Gan and Kill. And Shin Thomas Chunny let Ceol Mall, nice and steady music that we were using there. And then we're going to try it. I Ceol on a toppy, quite fast music at the end, just to see how we give it a go. So Gach Dinna, Bon Tree last time on sauce the lower number and you with all your hard work. So Moshiv Erfad, Intach. Okay, so Rud Cain Dernach, we're going to go through the 2 steps or one ella reached. So reached on Cain Banusuk, basic step of Rahain, Sol Barking Sol Iverda. So or one ella, the dull simple circle. We're going to walk through it or one ella. Hain, do, trip. Sol, sol, do, 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 sol, sol, do. Iverdo, sol, barking sol, 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 do, sol, barking sol, 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 do, sol, barking sol, 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 do, sol, barking sol. Shiv Erfad Intach. So we're going to try it with Ceol Mall these. I'll stop the Ceol and then we're going to do it to Ceol a Thot Pishin Bugnis Tapula a little bit faster again. Nodging Dermot for days shanos. The feet are quite close to the ground. So a nice natural flow. Remember your body can be quite loose and your hands are free at your side. Tha sheets here in a lot. So Orwanella le Ceol Mall or Shin Ceol Tapi. Mashiv a Fashti. We're going to use Ceol on a topping in really fast. So give it a go, see who you get on. And smash have reached a fashti on a wa.